अब जैसा कि हम सभी जानते हैं कि अब वर्तमान अभी समय है हमारे मुख्य वक्ता के उद्बोधन का, तो मैं अविलंब आपको मंच पे आहूत करना चाहूँगा। उसके पहले हमारे मुख्य वक्ता, आपका अनुरोध है कि पहले एक बार पुरुष सुक्ता पाठ हो जाए।
नारायण and also what you call it Purusha Suktam, and I requested actually to make it light a lamp. Light is Jyoti, then we are trying to link it to Param Jyoti. My way of scientific interpretations are different. So that is what something is anyway. Let us see, we will carry on. Please come.
गणेशाय नमः। ओम श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। हरिः ओम। सहस्रशीरेखा पुरुषः सहस्राक्षः सहस्रपात स भूमिगुं सर्वतस्थितवात्यातिष्ठदशाङ्गुलम् पुरुष एवेदङ्गुं सर्वं यच्च भूतं यच्च भाव्यम् उतामृतत्वस्येषानो जदन्येनातिरोहति एतावानस्य महिमातो ज्यायांश्च पुरुषः पादोऽस्य विषवा भूतानि त्रिपादस्यामृतं दिवि त्रिपादोऽध्व उदयत्पुरुषः पादोऽस्येह भवत्पुनः ततो विख्वं व्यक्रामत्साशनानशने अभि ततो विराड जायत विराजो अधिपुरुषः स जातो अत्यरिच्यत पश्चात् भूमिमतो पुरः तस्मात् यज्ञात् सर्वभूतः संहृतं प्रेखदाज्यम् पशुंस्ताश्चक्रे वायव्यानारण्याग्राम्याश्च ये तस्मात् यज्ञात् सर्वभूतरिचः सामानि जज्ञिरे छन्दागुंसि जज्ञिरे तस्मात् जायत तस्मादृशवा अजायन्त जे केचोभयादतः गावो हरग्निरे तस्माज्जाता अजावयः तञ्जज्ञं पुरीहि प्रोक्षन् पुरुखं जातमग्रतः तेन देवा अयजन्त साध्या ऋषयश्च ये यत्पुरुखं व्यदधुः प्रतिधा व्यकल्पयन् मुखं किमस्यासीत् किं बाहु किमूरुपादा उच्येते ब्राह्मणोऽस्य मुखमासीत् बाहुराजन्यः कृतः ऊरु तदस्य वैश्यः पद्भ्याङ्गुशूद्रो अजायत चन्द्रमा मनसो जातश्चक्षुः सूर्यो अजायत श्रोत्राद्वायुश्च प्राणश्च मुखादग्निरजायत नाभ्या आसीदन्तरिक्षगुं शीर्ष्णोद्योः समवर्तत पद्भ्यां भूमिर्दिशः श्रोत्रात् तथा लोकान् अकल्पयन् जत्पुरुषेण हविखा देवा यज्ञमतन्वत वसन्तोऽस्यासीदाज्यङ्ग्रीक्ष्म इद्मः शरद्धविः सप्तास्यासन् परिधय स्त्रीः सप्तसमिधः कृताः देवा यज्ञन्तन्वाना अबध्नन् पुरुषं पशुम् यज्ञेन यज्ञमयजन्त देवास्तानि धर्माणि प्रथमान्यासन् तेहनाकं महिमानः सचन्तजरपूर्वे साध्याः सन्ति देवाः। हरिः ओम।
Very nice of the people who have started the invocation with divine blessings anywhere. India is endowed with divine knowledge base. So what we are having it is a nice interaction with the eminent group of people, and Professor Upendra Kumar Tripathi is good enough to invite me here and make my own contribution in whatever way is possible. Then Professor Jyotsna Tiwari, Acharya, then Professor Rana P.B. Singh, I happen to know him last at least about 5 or 6 years. And he was also good enough to invite me or to deliver a lecture at Lucknow University. So see what is the scientific importance of our culture. So there is a lot of waste within our own knowledge, but we have to build up in the proper way. This is completely originally initiated by my Guruji, Sitaram Guru, in 1984 on 13th of November. Today is happened to be 13th. I am happy to be here in the presence of Jai Mahadeva. Okay. Now I am integrating this, both science, philosophy, including religion. There is a lot of interaction is required to answer the questions raised by Western scientists. Eminent scientists, they have high regard for our Indian knowledge-based culture. And this is where Vedas, science in Vedas, you can create a separate slot for cosmology Vedas. And many people have not understood our own concepts of our cosmology, which is Hiranyagarbha Tattva, Vishwam and Jagat integration, then Srishti, Sthiti, Laya integration. I am doing it in my own small way through PowerPoints and projections and invited lectures. I do that also even in abroad, and I am a now associate member of COSPAR, which is about 50 countries. I was earlier member for IEEE, and I was a course coordinator for high voltage engineering technology. Then I have also given lectures on technology management developing countries. What is the missing structure in India beyond IIT? India has to qualify to come up with a performance structure. That is our Karma Bhumi. Okay, now let me go ahead with the type of this one. I hope you can almost written from 1993 onwards, after interaction with the plasma science group, that is nuclear plasma science group, we have got high regard for a Nobel laureate Alfred, and he has put it in 1984 that India has the knowledge base, but why people are not coming up? So the type of questions what they put it is, since 1940s, he made a discovery that Earth is surrounded by natural fields and throws, what you call it, Van Allen belts. This is known to all the aeronautics people, space scientists, and they confirmed it only in 1962 with the 2 Van Allen belts. Now today you can see 3 Van Allen belts. So how is the Earth planet is receiving the energy base? So the questions come from a different angle, and we have the knowledge. Then automatically we have also got the divine spirit, we call it Gujrin Shanti, Antarishasya Shanti, Om Garaviti Prachapshan Brahma Surupini. So we start with our Gayatri and also study through Saraswati. So there is a lot of interlinks required. What is the purpose of this interlink? We write Bhashyakara. Bhashyakara has come from right from the Badrinath to Kedarnath down to even Anantamagadava Swami. Different people have tried and also interpreted it, and if the interpretations are incomplete in their own language, they construct temples. Temples come in a different way. It has got its own architecture, it has got its own structure, it has got 3 tiers or sometimes 7 tiers, and this is 7 hills. Lord Venkateswara supposed to be, even we worship it in South India, that's it. Nasteva, Gatirajata. It is only single root of explanation. What we are trying to interpret is Vishnu, Mahavishnu, Ishvara, Maheshwara, then Rudra. Then higher level comes to Shiva. Then Vasudeva Tattva is integrated. ओम नमो नारायण रुद्रो जयते। ओम नमो वासुदेवाय श्री महाविष्णवे नमः। नमो नारायण विद्महे वासुदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः श्रीमन्महाविष्णुः प्रचोदयात्। श्रियं विश्वम्भराय च नमो भगवती सर्वेश्वरी तन्नः श्रीं सौम्यः महालक्ष्मीं प्रचोदयात्। Automatically there are a lot of Vidyas involved. That becomes our own heritage and also an advantage. So naturally what you have to do is you can only restore outer layer to bring it from down to the surface layer. This is Tribuna outer layer has to surrender in terms from inner layer has to understand the subtle part of it. Then yoga, yogi, yogeshwara, all subjects get integrated automatically. As a scientist, I feel that even I am surprised how I am able to link up these type of documents. So there are about 24 books, now more, and I take copyright right in years because what is required here is we have to perfect our knowledge base at the international level. Then come back, how to get organized are any other thing. So but lot of damage is also being done from other countries. So we have got to get organized in the right spirit of okay. I hope you will bear with me. I am talking in English. There are a number of people who can always help me to translate it to Hindi. You can make a number of sessions. And also you can make a number of workshops. Students will get benefited. The department of projecting it to PowerPoint is like that. Your impression must be different. Okay? So I hope you can read most of this one. Hindu cosmology in confidence with actually Itihasa Sankalpa Samiti, old history Indian. So he invited me. I gave a key talk in 2007. So this is a different type of integration automatically comes through higher level of scientific knowledge. Now, this is dedicated to cosmic divine, so I put it scientific philosophy, graphs of science, Jnanam, Veda Jnana, Vijnana, Samanmaya. Vijnana is the present day of whatever you call it, science, from the Western side is incomplete. So Jnana is also involved. So our Guruji's language is Ajnana Tibra Vityam Haribhakti Pramodhakam. So what are you going to integrate? Even if you call it Vijayavasha Veda. So we have to integrate and communicate. Okay? Two different type of people. So naturally different type of level of interaction happens. Okay. Now you are seeing it, left to blow has not been done. Same explanet and life support. That's our environmental issue. Okay, the middle part of it is the Van Allen belts. You are seeing it in 3 layers. Okay, then it comes, if you say that cosmic divine is very much active, we call it Bhagavan is nowhere or any other thing. Bhagavan is here and he is striving to drive the society to establish a dharmic principle. From Dharma, we have to also understand Sanatana Dharma. So the linked documents are more important. That's what I feel so. Okay. And anybody who is welcome to correct me also. I am putting it in a proper way in trying to integrate it with Namaskara and everything like that. Okay. Now this is the Nobel laureate, Mr. Ramesh P. 1984, the test to all the Indian countries. I am really surprised even today. People are not properly doing the proper exercise and invite the groups. They are prepared to come. Then it was Carl Sagan, lot of people may be knowing it, including art, culture, everything. He is also very much wants to introduce Indian temples as a knowledge-based culture. So this is how it comes. So as we Carl Sagan image, they have projected it and they gave it to talk at paper. Now always, every time they project. Then the misleading comes. There is there's one more disconnect. I put it only in my text. Okay. It is the galaxy and sky chart, so people have got to learn one by one or any other way. This is meant for education. Then you can put it in a timeline. The lower part of it is hidden artist. It is maintained to about 2018 also. He has written it without properly defined these platforms. Now I will put a basic question to everybody. Shankam. Sham, come. Come is nothing but space. Sham is meant for welfare. So we are getting the welfare from the space. So it is not a human. So space today is nothing but my richest part of my richest is vacuum art. Vacuum art. Vacuum is nothing but, no, you can't call it human. All of these anything like that, that is what is required is vacuum, vacuum. Then we have to trigger it and we have to integrate the plasma and alpha matrix. The plasma is nothing but a fourth state of matter. Everybody must be familiar with solid, liquid and gas. Fourth state of matter is your ionization received even on your trees and your leaves, and also what you call it opposite Rasamurtam, Brahma Murma Suram. What are you initiating it? What are you receiving it? This part of it comes under bioenergy aura. So you have to see that what is the scientific velocity, what is the velocity of science, which is done, nature and divine train, has been divided. You have to introduce like Dwara. Suppose you say Haridwara to Kedarnath, Haridwara to Badrinath, so Haridwara to say Kashmir. So each of these names will be self-evident. So today what is happening? Lot of people have not understood even the importance of Kashmir. And when there is a conflict, with our knowledge base, we have to project it in time. Okay, so all that aspects are covered in this book, in different aspects, but the part of it I am covering it here. So I can see that today, entire world is looking for universe models, cosmos models, so that they can interpret whatever is ancient language or any other language. So, and another aspect of it is whatever Vatican is integrating it or interpreting it is in doldrums. So entire cosmology is under crisis of orientation. And few Indians only are trying to save the interaction. There is a Temple Trust Foundation, integrating science, philosophy, etc. Some people have found, taken interest, they recommended my name in right in 2005 or like that. They copy. Because at that time they don't understand what plasma alpha-matrix is moral state. So if the copying, what is the use of it? I take copyrights and question. So this method is we have to put our own knowledge based culture at the international or global level, come back to the national level, then local level. It's always a three-tier. Okay. So the origin Vedas will start with Purnamidam, Purnamidam. How many layers you are interpreting, how many layers you are trying to, what you call Trinity concept. So you have to define it. So now you can see that many people will pose the question, please speak in only in Hindi. Some people will question, speak in Telugu or any other. There are many of our own languages which are very 90% to Sanskrit, near to that. But still interpretations are not proper. So we have to do a lot of exercise, even not only at the universities level and also in IITs level or other things like that. We have to do a lot of exercise. Okay, all languages need to change. I have to put here Omkara Vikipachaksham. So that is image is from Himalayas. So naturally what I expect, Himalayan wisdom to come in time. So I can always see that Saraswati Namasnijam for Jayakavarudni, it is a dedicated one. Through comes also in water. So what I equal is, if you are interpreting a temple or any other picture, what you have to do is, here. I hope I can find it out here. So, okay. So, I have some. So, what's the So what is required here is this, that by Guruji is Sitaram these are some. To say, these are yoga. Bhakti and yoga has to integrate together. Then you have to come to one. So naturally what is that? Ganesha, Krishna, integration. So after the integration, you are restricted. Then it is Mahavishnu. Lot of people do not know the difference between different concepts. So if you look at Sampradaya, Sampradaya, Mahavishnu is 240 Vishnu. What is meant by the 240? Universe. That's it. Our language, Vishnu. So if you say that Vishnu, Drushti, so where you will get it? Jagat is driving the Vishnu. From Vishnu, you are driving to the heart of the universe. From heart of the universe, you are integrating it. Then you can say that Abba, Sadai, Devana, and the Vishnu, this is integrating. So from the heart of the Vishnu, how are you going to do the prayer? So the prayer must be also be in the heart of the Vishnu. This is what I can always initiate for the good people who may be interested. Heart of the way, if your prayer is good, your mind will be clear, then concentrate on the meditation. Consciousness is important for all Indians. The consciousness subject, that is, we call it Buddhiman Sushinaha, Manaha Sushinaha. This consciousness, Indian story can understand. Most of interpretations in US or any other, they don't understand consciousness, they think it is very possible. That means I create it. So it is that it's not. Like here after, so I guess how they are projecting it is a robotic type of culture. So the culture is getting degraded from different causes. So these are all interpretations. You will not be knowing the difference. Okay? This is cosmology definition. Is not there. Big Bang has no definition. So I introduce the cosmology definition to this type of interpretation with protecting our knowledge based culture. That means you see here, Ayatal Bhauti, Yoga Nabhete, divine spirit has to come down. So how do you define it? From which region? So actually astrophysics, astronomy, so many other literally automatically will come into picture. These are all different type of branches. But the top is Narayana, Vishnu, Jaiti, statement from India. Okay. You can also see that if one or two books I am reading it here also, information on the book, etc. Okay, from people. Now, this part is defines for the entire Western society. Right in 1999, I made a point to send this information. Then the astronomy people from North Carolina said this way nobody has. Then they have published it in a cosmology review, their website. But then subsequently I do not know what happened. But that record is here. It's a quick article B. What is the cosmic person? How are you going to define it? In terms of monoxide. It is like this. We will call it Apaha Jyotiraso Uso Prabhu Buddha Sohom. We call it 4 source. Then when we say that Ishvara or Rudra, then what we are looking at it is a reflecting cosmos. Is it a regulating? So these things we have to implement it in terms of modern science. So reflecting cosmos is Vedaseka. So we are integrating Vedaseka. Then you can always say a different type of principles of information. Then there is a source, then there is a field. Fields are regulated by Shiva. Flows are regulated by Brahma. So field, flows, when I do that, it is a fundamental question the Noble Laureate is putting question. So it becomes self-evident for us. But we have put it in different, from earth to sun, light travel in 8.5 minutes. So all our pujas, temples, is it only for this 8.5 minutes? No. So I have to go with beyond that path. Then you have to define. So believe in Shantati. So believe is 100 times beyond this up. Lot of people do not come to believe. You have to look at it. Wisdom, aspect, origin. You are in a position to set your mind to wisdom. That is universe. From there, what happens? You are connecting heart of the universe and also the total universe. All this is interpretation. Tallies with what is in our Bhagavad Gita, Bhavati, Bhavati, Sattvic, Tritaya, then Cosmic what energy, then the Tattva, everything integrated in Tattva. I gave number of this one also, even in Kartikeya University, Kartikeya Observatory, then they are celebrating 100 years, and also the first telescope scientists to write at Baltimore. I gave their information, they are all available in my book and also my church. So what is required here is any people who want to translate it, you can put an entire different type of language and put it to the education both at the university level and also research level. And when you call it confidence and resonance, resonance automatically means frequency effect. When you are making it music or any other thing like that. What lot of people do not understand is, if you take the speed of light and the diameter of the earth, divide one by the other, you will get 12.8 cycles. 12.8 seconds multiply. So what you have is, your light is 50 cycles. Like that, what is your brain frequencies, what is your consciousness, will be the position to find and set up a small laboratory to identify the type of the crux of the whole problem today is we have to get on. So different type of frequency, so you have to look at it. Now you can set whether universe, what it means like this, it is like this, Yakroti, all of the statements. All our philosophy is beyond the galactic plane. Milky Way. Shivara Udbhav Prajve Hiranmaya Mukti Atharaha. So you have to redefine it. You will see some discrepancy even in Vishnu Sahasranama 3 happens. So I want Sanskrit scholars to put the things in Paparata. This is my own interpretation. I have put it, and I think I have put it also in, Chariot, which is this one, in the statement partner. You are welcome to contact me. Okay. Jagrati, Kapraya, Prashant, everything like that, I put it. Then philosoph concept, then it now comes to the Big Bang is under question. What does that mean? Evolution to creation is the concept today. Evolution is most of the people are looking in terms of Darwin philosophy. Darwin philosophy looks to evolution, neglect the creation, and gives the creation aspect to Big Bang. Big Bang never attends to the creative aspect or reference name or God. We are only defining about God, and Big Bang never understands or never mentions about God. So this is a conflict even in Vatican today. And time frame. Most of the our friends will be more 4.5 billion years, 13.5 billion years. That is the information always we get it. Sun itself is 4.5 billion years. 3 times that. Is that the universe? No. It hardly touches even Prithvi. Prithvi is 100 times Sun. So you have to integrate higher. So what does our philosophy say? Say this is only 10 to the power 9, x to 10 to the power 10 light year, whereas our ancient documents mention 10 to the power 14 and 10 to the power 17. That means almost 10,000 times higher than that. And more than that, even a million times more higher than that. We have to make our own statements in our own way. That is, comes from Brahma, Parabrahma, Sanatana Dharma, everything you have to take. Okay. Now this is where the nuclear scientists, plasma scientists, they project one galaxy, different galaxy, cluster of galaxies, those like that. What we are saying is Surya, Surya Mandala. From Surya Mandala, you have to go to Aditya. From Aditya, you have to go to Aditya Mandala. Then you have to identify Gaurus Aditya. So how are you going to interpret the modern science? We have Gaurus as Jyotirlingas, linked to Gaurus Aditya. The disturbance is strange. We are leading ourselves, but then we have get organized so that other people will take it. This is a projection. I can explain. They are all covered in that. These various class of those you can understand that. They are all looking at the Indian marriage case. Okay. Now, when you call it Shambhu, this is like a spiral. It is very research area on the left side of it, what you are seeing it, I can demonstrate it, and you can use it for pollution control, environmental, so many other things. In one way you can remove even part of the pollution right and daily. If people are interested in the right thing, I will invent them. Let me suggest some. This one, the slight modifications may be the kind of thing. Now here you are seeing it, it is a spiral in the lower side. Spiral is nothing but our Shankam starting point. If you see that sun to earth or unto planetary region is known as blue plasma. So under the blue plasma, we are receiving the energy through Shankam. That I call it Shankam Tirtham. This is what we call it. Ganges also comes into picture. Why you cannot identify highest purity water that protects your consciousness. That is essential for life and also representation. Then there are many other aspects where Ganges and environment can always redesign the whole our own concept and structure. Unless the fields are identified, flows and rivers cannot be identified. So if you do it on the wrong way, you are seeing it as collapses. Okay. The other part of it is your body has 63% water. So I drink water, but where is my brain and consciousness? Consciousness is higher. So if I nail down my head, they can't see consciousness. That's what they are being damaged. Through yoga, yogis are understanding it. You are seeing it in most of the Christian philosophies. They should not. So every yogi knows what is going to happen before. Maybe he might have avoided and somebody might have got that right. So this way we have interpretations. Okay, this is what I have explained in the 1991 Shankam Chakram, what it is written. If you look at it, okay, Sudarshan Chakram, you can integrate it through Shiva Chakram. Center part of it, Vishnu Ishan Namami. Then the right side part of it is Brahma Jyoti Swarupam. What we are receiving on that. So there is a sequence. People have appreciated. But then to answer their question, I have to make research reports. Not like one write one paper, two papers, how to make that. So also the same thing. Nandi Jyoti Ganesha. How does Nandi supports Jyoti? Then where is Ganesha? We understood Ganesha. Those different type of apahas will follow into this, even from Ganesha. And Ganesha is in a position to monitor and catch if Ravana is taking away a Shivani part. We have our own systems. So also what is that protection? Protection is the aspect. So integrate all these things, automatically you will have a good science. So this part of it is also same. Chakra is also not properly, we have not projected. It is like this. Your ear is projected, your eyes are projected, your nose is connected, your head is connected. So how does the processing come? This processing is different, this processing is opposite. So how does your breath and everything come? All that is linked nothing but science. Okay. Now you can see that 7-dimensional. You have to go into dimensional. Boom, over, so on like that. So I simply try and put 1 over the other. All time you have got that transparent paper, 1 over the other. You will get a defined structure. Without your next one, you will get the chakra. Okay. Now here you can see that. Nandi Jyoti Ganesha, left side, that is what I introduced in Thailand also. Then the right side part of it is OT hockey. Then overall Fermi laboratories and also the particle accelerator groups are misleading Shiva Tattva. It is our bounden duty to explain the right spirit and how to protect our non-realization culture. Okay. Now, this part of it is, I have sent the detailed proposals to European Space Agency. They have contacted me. Can you submit the proposal? 4 satellites are running below the sun. Another probe wants to go around the sun. And then another one is dark matter. All these 3 I sent it in 2010. It is more relevant even today. Lot of scientists can work, lot of PhD students also can expose, and they will get lot of opportunities. Okay. So this is again Ajmer Gupta. If you look at it 2300 years after Ajmer Gupta, all these Western philosophy cannot interpret. So Hindu cosmology only has got the advantage. Yajna, Yajnana, Yajnamayam, Jananti, Deva. Where are you identifying it? You have to identify Anila, Anala. Satyavadhe. Then you identify the being Satyaksha Gayatam. You have to identify. So regions are identified by projection. That's the advantage. Then you can always see that you have the data is sent by astronomy group 60 years of order. So if you are seeing this, it is the galactic plane. Every galactic plane you draw that it is what you see every time. You see the galactic plane, you have to put it. So what part you have to put it? It's the vertical, but then everywhere. Type of video, it's like what you need to do both of us. You have to take it. That's only to see that that's the motion. All that is to do. Okay. Enjoy by method of approach. Please excuse me if I am putting it in a bit higher level. Okay. It's the type of data. You get it from space data. Then you can see that. In Shiva dance, you will see what you call it, Dhammarka. Okay, energy transfer. Lower, higher, energy transfer. If you won't understand, that's what I have to put there. It is not black hole. Okay, there are different types of data. And at the temple, we have tanks. Tanks gives you from 8-dimensional approach. So what happens when you are only surrendering to gravity? Any temple tank will provide you the stability and also any corner, start with even 4 corners. Even Sanjay, Saraswati, what you start with 4 corners. Just go off, go to 8, 4, 8, 12 like that. So but here you are also doing it. Suppose I am an investor. I made a national. There is one thing. And I wanted India and other things to produce. They are not coming. So I want to put India to advantage. But they are not coming up. This is my problem. So I suppose I put it in 4 corners or even 8 corners. The signal levels will be different. It's not the gravity. Your sensitivity is how to come up. So then you identify the time approach, outer plane, inner plane, then only you are building the phase network. But you can do it and you modify the design. Okay, this is some of the information from Vedanta Bhagavad Gita. I have taken about 60 years to interpret some of the things and put it clearly as Kartik what energy of the universe. This representing our body. Okay, now you can see that. Okay, now here I show you can see that. You have to define the accuracy from air to close or something. Kartik close or higher level. lower level flows are different. Galactic flows we are mixing in it, and we are going to hit the only end of it until the potential. So to follow the energy, there will be development are very important. Then we have to introduce three extra conditions. We can also see that. Okay. Then you can see that. Yogi to Kasus Yoga. I deliberately projected it. Right at the Yogi then where is your heart issue? Then where is your mind? Then where is your head? Where do I put my head? If I have to do my head. The question comes back also to me. Okay. So this is the same in order. You can understand that. Okay. This is the even we have to have the different type of sun, but they don't understand sun will receive energy from Aditya, and that is the physical center of our solar system. When you see the galaxy is about 100,000 light years. One light year itself is 10 to the power of 15 meters. Okay, so you have to look at it in terms of meters and other scales. So this is Kaliya Mantra. Means what is that? So you to control, your producing has to control down. So you are not attending. If you Rishi, you can always see that. Okay, then this is the automatic structure from Narayana to Raite. I have done it. Then put it, I projected it, and then from there started it after this. It is beyond the concept. Because simply the idea and gravity here there. No. Milky Way is itself a mirror to the heart of the universe. The heart of the universe is a mirror to the universe. But the difficult thing, but still we have to say our statements are very clear. Positive Tattva, you can always see that integrated beyond Mahavishnu. So there is a separate statement, and this is what statement. You can always see that in the type of etc. Here you can always see that. If you look at the case ACPDR in here, either they are not understood Akashan. Akashan is supposed to be are supported by Prakashan. Prakashan is lightness. They are material to dark, matter, dark energy, everything. So Prakashan, then comes Swayam Prakashan. Self-mode. You have to define. So this is why I put it in this way. I believe I put this image also in this data. Okay. So the type of image of what they get it, they introduce it as last word. I integrate it as Deshata. They are not understood our own Deshata. Deshata is a protection to lot of your concepts. Okay. Now you can see that this is the latest one. Contemporary. There are European space USO group, about 18 countries are there. They are anchoring upon only black hole. But whereas the central place is not a black hole, that is known as from M87, is supposed to be a little as a galaxy. They are misleading themselves and they are throwing that same as on India. So that's why it is. But sun side you see plasma vision of the universe. Galactic end, you see the toxic depths of Shiva federation. So what is that science? We are trying to say. We have to define. Okay. Now here I am putting Prahlada, Narada, Munindra, Vanjitaya, all that our statements will go into that. So what is that we are doing it here? You can always do that. It is an education. It is for right to somebody has got it, that I wanted them to do this also. Somebody can do it. Stop working. Your mobile light. Take your mobile light. Use mobile light also. Right. See that what you see is going for it. Four corners, four lights like a diamond light. In Sabarmala, what are they praying in Sankranti? They are searching for divine light to dawn upon. Four corners. So there is some more things also in the book. Biological plane, 27 days cycle. Every mother is aware of it. You have to define the biological plane and geophysical plane. So those are all there in my book. Project it in proper way. Then you will automatically see that, I introduced the three-tier concept of the space baby. All the mothers have to protect the children so that they will receive divine energy. That's the essence of our own philosophy, nothing more than that. Okay, so almost getting over it. These are all the books are available. Okay, that's the end of that. So I am very thankful to all and everyone. There are noble people, and based on that, let us see whether we can have an interaction. I will try to help to the extent what is possible. Now any questions are welcome. Those who are interested can put down their name and an email and a phone number and your quest. What is the type of question you wanted? Let us see, put our brains together. This cosmology needs best of the brain trust. It is not our North India or South India or any other thing. We have to protect our knowledge base to the international level. That's more essential. Namaste.
आपके प्रेजेंटेशन ने निश्चित ही सबके ज्ञान पिपासा को शांत किया होगा, ऐसी मेरी और जैसा कि हम सभी ने इस व्याख्यान में देखा कि वैदिक क्या कॉन्सेप्ट है ब्रह्मांड को लेकर के, क्योंकि बड़ी ही सुंदर परिभाषा आचार्य भास्कर भी देते हैं कि तद ब्रह्मांड कटाह संपूर्ण तटे केचित जगुर्वेष्टनम केचित प्रोचुर दृश्य दृश्य गिरिम पौराणिका सूर्य. This line is quoted by Acharya Bhaskara in Siddhanta Shiromadi in Goladhyaya. He is defining the condition of universe in his book. And as we have got these all the things that which are described in the Vedas, that tricentric universe is tricentric. Means first is Surya Kendric, helicentric, and second one is Varuna Kendric, and third one is Satya Kendric, as I have heard to my gurus and my mentors. So it was a very nice presentation here on the dais, and as we have observed all the things, that how much we can say ये कितना ज़्यादा जैसे कि ज्ञान से भरा हुआ था. हमने देखा कि हमारे मंदिरों में या मंदिर के प्रतिमाओं में किस प्रकार से कॉस्मोलॉजी के सिद्धांतों को अंतर्निहित किया गया है.